Fertilizing your rice crop for higher profit has just become easier. Introducing Nutrient Manager for Rice, or NM Rice, a computer and mobile phone-based service from the Department of Agriculture. Would you like to know the right type and the right amount of fertilizer to apply to your rice field, or the right time to apply these fertilizers? If your answer is yes to these questions, then NM Rice is for you. You can access NM Rice through a computer connected to the internet or through your mobile phone. You can access NM Rice Web at the following website: www.erie.org/nmrice. Answer all the questions and you will receive a one-page fertilizer recommendation for your rice field. Consult with your municipal agriculture officer, agricultural technicians, and DA staff for more information on how to use NM Rice Web. You can also use the NM Rice Mobile, a toll-free text messaging service accessible through your mobile phone. NM Rice Mobile is suitable for most but not all rice fields. You can use NM Rice Mobile if you grow 2 rice crops in a year and you apply less than 10 bags of organic fertilizer per hectare. Otherwise, NM Rice Web is best for you. NM Rice Mobile is so easy to use. If you are a smart subscriber, call *2378. If you are a Globe subscriber, call 2378. Select your